in the process. Strength training, muscle building will give you the best lessons of your life. And I have received those lessons, and that's why I want to share it with you guys. Thank you for tuning in. As I promised in a previous video that मैं आज cover करूँगा 3 secrets to build muscles at home. These are 3 secrets. Hi, my name is Ronak Vora. I'm a fitness educator and a coach, and welcome to my Real Talk series. So आज बात करेंगे 3 चीज़ों के बारे में जो आपको muscle building में help करेगी if you are a vegetarian and you can build these muscles while at home. Okay, because since it's lockdown and gyms are not open yet. So क्या है ये 3 secrets? The first one is specificity. Now what does that mean? कि आपका जो वर्कआउट है, आपका जो एक्सरसाइज रूटीन है वो आपके गोल के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए, राइट? हियर योर गोल इज टू बिल्ड मसल्स, राइट? बिल्ड दीज नेचुरली. सो आपका वर्कआउट उसके अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स नॉट डूइंग बॉपीज, नॉट डूइंग एक्सेसिव स्किपिंग रोप और जंपिंग जैक्स और mountain climbers. Those are not going to help you build muscles. Of course they have a part in the routine but not major. आपका वर्कआउट आपके कंपाउंड मूवमेंट्स, बॉडी वेट, पुशअप्स, स्क्वाट्स, लंजेस, हिप थ्रस्ट, पुलअप्स एंड रोइंग, अगर आपके पास बैंड्स है, डंबल्स है तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर आपको वीडियो चाहिए इसके ऊपर एक्सक्लूसिव स्पेसिफिक वीडियो की क्या एक्सरसाइज करनी है मुझे, सो लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. मैं बनाऊंगा उसके ऊपर शॉर्ट वीडियो कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए. एक्सरसाइजेस दैट हेल्प्स यू बिल्ड मसल्स, राइट? रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग. Okay. Second is your protein intake, and I'm a vegetarian from birth, and people who tell that it's not possible to build muscles, I am setting an example. It's possible. Let me tell you that. Then plant and dairy protein. ये आपको जरूरी आपके खाने से मिलना चाहिए. Plant is your beans, your dal, sprouts, जो घर पे मिलता है आपके, उससे प्रोटीन मिलेगा आपको. मैंने एक पोस्ट बनाया इसके ऊपर on my Instagram. You can go and visit and check it out. I have a lot of content there. Ronak Vora _ and second is your dairy protein. That means your paneer, your milk, your dahi, all of these. I'll give you a small hack. Try to have these protein in all 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner, right? It is said that we need 1 gram of protein per body weight. 60 kg person will need 60 gram of protein. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. ठीक है, breakfast में आप sprouts खा लो, lunch में you go for paneer and some dahi, and dinner में again you can go for sprouts or paneer का sabzi और paneer का a dish. Okay, that's simple. Because you need protein to build those muscles. उसके बिना नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, accept this and start on this. Third one is the pyramid, right? M, P and C. What does that mean? We all know कि हमको करना क्या है. ठीक है, हम सबको पता है कि मुझे मसल बिल्ड करना है, मुझे ये करना होगा. But the point is, who is actually doing all of it? We know everything, but nobody does nothing. That's the point. We lack in execution. हम execute नहीं कर पाते कोई चीज. So if you're watching this and I don't want to be just a viewer, I want to really execute this thing that I'm telling you. If you have any questions and concerns, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on my Instagram or Facebook. I'm always available to reply all the comments whenever I'm free. Okay, so don't be a watcher but be a executor. Third one is the pyramid, M, P and C. M is motivation, P is patience and C is consistency. You need to be self motivated because I know कि results जब नहीं आते तब हमको लगता है यार बस हो गया, नहीं करना मुझे, right? We all have that phase. Energy यहाँ पे होती है, results नहीं आते, drops down. Patience, you need to keep patience because muscle building doesn't happen in a month or 2 months. I have put 6 years of lifting under my belt. 6 years of non-competitive lifting being a vegetarian. Of course, it takes time. So patience रखना ज़रूरी है. It's not a quick hack. Give it time. Third one is the consistency, right? As I said that it is a consistent effort that you put every day, right? आपने अगर कोई सीड डाला है आज तो उसका झाड़ आपको कल के कल नहीं मिलने वाला है. It's going to at least take 6 months to a year. So give yourself that time because you matter, your results matter and your body is improving and that should matter to you. That's it guys. Small video on 3 secrets to build muscle. You all might be knowing about this, but the point is, are you really executing? Right? Because nothing happens if you know everything. Right? It happens only when you execute. So डालो ये चीज़ें अपने रूटीन में और बताओ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कि कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो। अगर कुछ और आपको जानना है तो मुझे बताओ कमेंट्स में। आई ऑलवेज रिप्लाई टू ऑल ऑफ योर comments and I really appreciate your support. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share it with your friends and help them know that you can build muscles if you are a vegetarian at home. Thank you guys. Ronak Vora signing off.